Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search eBay for the hottest selling items and prices. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to ebay.com, and then once you're here, we want to click on the advanced button on the top far right hand corner of the side. Then from here, do a scroll and then do a search, including do sold items. So make sure sold items is checked. Then from here, we want to go ahead and enter keywords or item number. So depending what type of hot items you want to search for or what is trending, go ahead and put in that keyword. So for this demonstration, I'm going to search for smartphones. And now under keyword options, we can play around with this. So all words, any order, any words, any order, exact words. But I'm going to do any words, any order, and then go ahead and do a search. Then this is going to take you to the eBay's search results, in particular what has sold. And now as you can see, when we scroll down on the page, we can see when these items have sold. So you can see the sold date, and keep scrolling down and check out all the different sold dates and also how many items they have sold as well. So now what you need to look for is high sell-through rate. So lots of items sold versus listed, consistent selling price, and recent dates showing it's actively in demand, and also brand model patterns, which versions are most popular. So I'm going to do another search for Bluetooth headphones because this is a bad demonstration smartphone. So I'm going to paste this in and do another search. So then sort by recently ended. So here it is here. So make sure it's set to recently ended. And now you might notice a certain brand like Sony WH-1000 XM5 is consistently selling for around $300 or $350. If the same item appears over and over, it's likely trending. So keep scrolling down and take note of any patterns as well.